Manage your project with Linear for full year without cost. If you manage project, task or team workflow, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Linear.app subscription for 1 year using the official method and all features unlocked. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see just I recorded one video about how to get Leonardo.ai essential plan for free. Here you can see total token 8500. So if are interested to get or create image from Leonardo.ai, then please visit my YouTube channel. I will upload that video on my YouTube channel. Here you can see almost daily I upload one videos, so please visit my YouTube channel homepage. So first of all, I will give this magic link in this video description, so don't worry about the link. Then click on this continue with Google, and in this platform Linear, the temp mail or disposable mail does not work, so you need to sign up with your Gmail account. Then click on choose one of your Gmail account, click on this continue button. Now type here your workspace. Then click on this create workspace. You can also change the workspace hosted location. Click on this get started. Choose your style, dark mode or light mode. Click on continue. I will do this later. Continue. Open Linear. Now we need to upgrade. After sign up the Linear.app account, so again you need to visit this URL. Then click on select a Linear business plan. Then click on this redeem offer button. And you will redirect to Stripe page. Here you can see automatically coupon code applied, and for 2 seats free for 1 year. So now you need to add a payment detail. Scroll down and just fill your card detail, card name and billing address. After add your payment detail, here you can see a quick notification, thank you for subscribing. So here you can also see current plan, business plan and one user. Here you can see a billing address and payment details, recent invoice. So now I can enjoy Linear.app free for 1 year. And here you can also see valid through 5 April 2027. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐿 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.